In this video, we are going to see that if you're getting this error, ISArcExtract error, which says it is not found any specified file, ISArcExtract error, while trying to install any particular game on your desktop PC or on your laptop. Here's a quick solution for you. First of all, guys, what you can do is, let's say that you have the particular game in a specified location, and that is a setup file, right? So let's see an example of the setup. Let's say this is the setup. So what you can do is, instead of using it from C drive, you can just try moving it by copying it and pasting it, let's say on desktop or some other directory, and try giving it a simple name as well. So let's say that I've pasted here. If it involves underscore, dashes or something else, you just make the name simple and then try running the setup, because many times this is either the problem with the location or the file path name. So once that is done, just go in here and try running that setup of the game, whatever you're using, and you should be good to go. And after that, you will be able to install that game, whatever you are trying, easily by just using this simple technique. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.